Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about what is functions and variables in JMeter. See, basically function means any method that can be populated as field in any other element of a test plan, which is a we are going to using for test plan here. The test plan we can able to use that entire place for that function variable, okay, function value. And variable we can able to declare for the syntax of the function dollar brace and two underscores and function name, which function name we are using. And we can able to declare inside the function some variables also, okay, which is the variables we are creating. That variables also we can able to declare inside the function. And variable means a container that can store a value which can be referenced by any other element within a thread. Means the local which thread you are using, that thread only you can able to use for this variable. You can't use another thread place. But if you create the function, you can able to use any thread. Like if you are using two threads, you can able to use the two thread place that function name. But if you are using variable, you can able to use only for that particular thread. The function you can able to utilize for entire test plan. If you creating any test here, the test plan and inside the test plan anything, if you create that place, you can able to use for this function. And basically the function is case sensitive and camel case. The variable syntax is basically a dollar brace variable name we can able to declare. And there are few things are presented in a variable functions, and this is like a log we can able to create time thread intSum. And variable and function also we can able to use this all operation. How we can able to do it, now we'll see into here. Now I'm going to use here my thread group, and again one more thread group. I'll use, sorry, one, there are two thread groups are presented, okay. Now first thread group I'm going to give one, okay, second one two, okay. Now I have two thread groups, and also I'm going to requesting for http request, and here also http request I'm going to adding sampler, okay. Two samplers are ready for me, okay. And I'm going to use for my listener. Okay, my listener is ready, and I'm going to use HTTP request one, and here HTTP request two. Okay, now my HTTP request and these two things are ready, and each place we can able to use. Okay, now my samplers and both the things is ready. But if I want to use this name place any like same example, and previous I used the same this API one, and we can able to use the same thing. 1 second. Yes, and value is same. And now as and value is presented. Now by both the places my request and everything is ready, and I have to do for function creation for that. And here I'm going to removing. Okay, and I need to create the function. The function is basically we can able to say log, and for log creation dollar symbol curly brace open open, and this same thing I'm going to copy pasting, and here now we can say hello. Okay, now mine is presented for hello. Okay, if I'm seeing here to run, and if I run here, and you can able to see there is a output says that hello is failed. Why? Okay, http some log missing. Okay, so this request is not presented into here, that's why it is failed. And we need to add this also there, right? And I forgot to add it. Yes, and we can able to add it here. Now view result also you can able to see. I mentioned the log as hello. Here the log as hello. While it is running, it is showing for hello request. This is a way we can able to see also the log. We can able to remove this one, run one more time, and here HTTP request one, and we can able to add one more view tree listener view table format. View tree is there, view table format, table format. Okay, now one more time. And now we can able to see the label, it is saying that hello. In the previous it is request http one, and right, the thread group we can able to change the log name which is a request we are going to providing. Okay, even we can able to use the static label here, and the label hyphen and this one, and if you run this one more time, and we can able to delete this log. And now see the label, the static label also we can able to add it. Okay, and also we can able to add for time date also. This is a time format iPhone T and DD MMYYHS. This is a time format, and we can able to add for time consisting purpose also. In the logs we can able to mention this one, and once you added, and once you run this one, now one more time if I'm running this one, you can able to see for second request there is a time label. See now the date and time format it is displaying. The request we can able to see here, right? And third option is threadNum. We can able to create a threadNum. And if you want to create threadNum, you can able to go ahead here, copy paste this one, and come to here hello world, and I'm specifying that thread label and hyphen thread num. And once you come to view tree and remove this all the logs, then one more time if I'm running here, you can able to see thread number label, and it is given number as a 1. If you run this thread into a multiple times, if I'm going to adding 5 times, and now if I'm hitting this one, now one more time, see here it will by default it will increase label 1 label 2. The label we can able to say 5 times it is iterated. one user only it is displaying, but it is increase the value, the label, the thread number, it will take it. Okay, and also we can able to use for intSum also. intSum is basically it will take as a number, and you can able to use here int sum, and if you use 2 comma 3, and what will happen, it will add these two values and then it will display for your tree value. Okay, and I'm going to use here one only. Now again I'm coming here, removing, and one more time if I'm hitting this one, and it will give the label is 5 because in number is 2 comma 3 means 5, 2 plus 3, that is called 5, that's why it is taking as a 5. And also we can able to declare for variables, and you can able to add one more request here, the duplicate one, creating the duplicate, and here I can able to use one value like a variable I can able to create. How I can able to create means, here I can able to add comma inside comma result is a one result value to storing this one, and that result in this result I'm going to reading that. For that I have to do dollar base result. Okay, now my result should be 5, and second request I need to get the 5, correct, and the result value I'm going to read here. And if I'm coming to here to remove, and one more time can run, you can see now one is label is basically it is getting 5, and the result also it is getting 5, but top one it is a label 5 and this second one is 5. This is a way we can able to read for a variable into a request, and we need to create a function inside another, and the last one we can able to say variable and function both the places, how we can able to add it. Now here you can come here, now mine is in sum is presented. Now if I'm going to take this all the thing, and if I'm going to do here, what will happen here, the previous one it is saying that the result is stored as a variable format. Okay, in that result I'm going to reading the variable inside the function, a variable we can able to use inside the function, correct. The function we can able to add some n number of variables that particular function. To do that I used like this, dollar two braces underscores int sum a 3 comma a dollar a result. Okay, means which is the result is coming like 5, here it will come 5 and 3, it is basically 8 number, correct. Now we'll see here how it will display. Now if I'm running this one, now 8 is came because int result is display the first theory, here is 5. The 5 result we read as a variable into inside the function, that is 3 comma 5. The 3 comma 5 it is sum, and it is taken as a 8, then it is read. Okay, and after that it is given the result, and this is a time format, and this format we can able to see the labels we can able to change, and you can able to see there are function helper dialog box. You can go through here and you can able to find n number of uh, files we can able to see here what exactly it is say, and everything you can able to get it the town also. Okay, and also you can able to go for check some information about that helper classes and all into Google, and it will gives that value and syntax and everything you can able to read one by one. Okay, and this is a simple example. Due to that, I given a few set of things, and you can learn more into that Google. Okay, or else this dialog box and this one. Okay, function helper dialog box, you can click and you can navigate and you can search all the functions one by one, you can able to practice. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.